What's inside?
What's this?
A blush on. A lip gloss. And a pressed powder. Arte. Oh, wait. So, ito siya, guys. For my baby girl. The powder. Minsan lang ito gagamitin. Pag ano lang, may ganap lang. Masugatan ka dyan, anak. Then, the blush on. Wow.
Oh, may glass pa.
Ganda niyan, ah. You're so lucky, anak. Buyag, uy. Sana all. Gusto mo want to try it now? Wait.
Looks a bit.
Okay, go. Did you try it na? Ay, oo nga, no. A little bit of... Hindi, pink yan.
Ink. Oh my God.
Konti lang, lagay mo. Damihan mo. Ganda. Wow, ganda. Oh. It's light pink. It's princess pink color. No? Wow, lip gloss, baby. Mommy, see? Wow, ganda. A blush on.
Flash. Why did it say phone? It's a phone. How to
Oh,
open?
there's a cover.
Okay.
I think you need to twist. Mommy, hold. Hindi ganyan. Dito dapat. Ulit. Dito mo ilagay. Okay. Sige pa. O, yan. O, yung ganda ng kulay. Kalat mo. Ganun mo. Mommy teach you, ha? Ganyan lang.
Wow.
On the other side. Sige pa. Hinuli mo yung powder. Dapat nauna yung powder.
Wow.
Ganda naman. Okay. The powder.
Wow.
Arte naman. Diba binura mo siya? Meron pa rin sa lips mo. Ang galing.
Wow, may box pa. Wow.
Ganda. Kabila. Dito.
Ganyan. Wow.
Wow. Wow. Tingin. Dito meron yan. Ay, wala. Wala siyang ano na. Ay, galing nga. Nabuksan niya. Mauna mo na yung powder bago yung makeup. Sige, sa taas mo nilagay dito. Test mo. Ay, oo. Okay. Wow. Maganda ba? Oh, mag-vlog ka na. Hi, guys. Ganda? Like them? I-spread mo maayos. Sino mo mukha kang clown.